Okay, sorry, not steady cam, and also outside. So I wanted to just stop in to talk about the steel drop turned into a useful object. So in a previous video you had seen the preparation of steel for a project. I had some sort of rusty recycled steel from a long ago, and also lots of little pieces of drop. And I talked about building a cart where the drop is used in a not structurally significant part of the cart. And as you can see here is a good example of that in action. So this piece here just holds up the fourth corner of the caster basically, and I think the caster might even actually work without that, so I'm not super worried about the strength. And it's a great place, for instance, to sneak some used material in or some drop pieces in, where once you apply a load to the top of the cart, which will basically be there forever, nobody would ever know. Although I kind of like the look of it, and I think it's endearing, and I like that they're using the drop. Also, I had talked about a mistake where I accidentally cut these at a 45, because this steel here was part of an existing cart that I was recycling into a smaller cart. So I cut it off here, and it wasn't long enough for me to cut it at a 45 because the cart would be too small. So I needed this extra length, but I accidentally cut this as a 45 because that's just something that I'm used to doing. And so I used another piece of drop to fix it and get it working. And I had made the same error multiple times because I was batch cutting them. So I had the same error happen here as well. So there's four of those situations. So anyway, those are the product of, recycling that material. So I hope that looks good, and see you on the next one.